What is going on? Welcome to a very noticeably sunny, gorgeous La Jolla here in San Diego, California. I want to welcome you to another ride along. We are driving on a very good per delivery bonus today, $4.50. But I can't stay with you too long. I already got an order, this great one from Chipotle, just 0.9 miles, so I got to run. Order number one. That may have been one of the strongest starts to a shift I have seen. 0.9 miles, basically $10, kind of for free. It was literally down the road. 0.9 miles. Pretty good. Okay, you'll have to excuse me, but you know the rules. I found this really unique spot here. I want to check it out really quickly, just a few minutes. So, that was a pretty good order. It was longer. Yeah, you saw it took, what, 15 minutes or so to get down here. But it happens sometimes. That was fantastic. Nice little pit stop, but not too long because we have to get back to La Jolla. $20. $20. That's one of the highest orders I've ever gotten on DoorDash. The miles are decent. They're not too bad. $20. Let's do it. All right, now we're back home and it's time for one of my favorite parts. Let's go over the numbers. So today was a 4.5-hour shift from 4 p.m. until 8:30 p.m. The total gross revenue tonight was $71.75, which equals $15.94 in gross revenue per hour. During this shift, I completed 5 deliveries, received 4 tips, with an average tip being $6.50. Total business miles were a bit longer. As you know, we had those longer orders tonight, 49 total business miles. And because of that, we take a higher deduction, $28.18. Subtracting that deduction from our gross revenue, that gives us a net revenue before taxes of $43.57, or a lower than average net revenue per hour of $9.68. This shift was a little unique, and I don't think these numbers completely tell the entire story. Especially when it comes to the miles. We did have a few longer orders today, and that will eat into your numbers when it comes to higher expenses. But we did take that pit stop, so I feel like we could have squeezed another order in this shift. So what do you think about the shift today? Let me know down below in the comments. And make sure to check out the first link in my description. That's for my Amazon storefront for the very best accessories in the delivery space. Click or tap the screen now for my most recent video, as well as a video recommended for you, and I'll see you in the next one.